Hey everyone, it's math time. So today we're going to go over some more things about patterns. We're going to make a story but with patterns. What is a pattern again? Do you guys remember from the last couple days? What is a pattern? A pattern is a thing that repeats, right? It's things with colors and shapes and different objects, and you can put them in order that make sense to you. So it's a thing that repeats. That makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to share a screen with you for this new idea. Here we are. Here we go. So this is called patterns with stories. So I'm going to say story and we're going to make a pattern with it. So it will make more sense once you get started. Okay, so one day all of the friends went outside and it was raining and they were wearing rain boots and they had umbrellas and their raincoats and they were playing outside in the puddles. But then when they came inside, they took off their boots and put them in an order by the door. So here's the door. And so they start putting their boots by the door. And so with that, it kind of makes its own pattern because they're putting their boots in there. So I will show you what I mean. So first they put one of the kids puts their blue boots down. So now there's two blue boots. The next student puts their yellow boots by the door. So now there's two yellow boots. The next student puts their two pink boots by the door. So now there's blue, yellow, pink. Or you could say blue, blue, because there's two boots in each, yellow, yellow, and pink, pink. So that sounds like a pattern. Do you think that we can make that pattern? How would we make that? So now we're going to start to make that with some squares or blocks. If you have blocks or Legos at home, you could build this pattern. So we're going to do blue, blue, two blues for the two blue boots. Now yellow, yellow for the two yellow boots, and pink, pink for the two pink boots. That's kind of like a pattern, and then it could repeat, right? So how would you continue this pattern? If it was only these boots, or this pattern, it's blue, blue, yellow, yellow, pink, pink. How would you continue it? Would you start it over from the beginning? I would start it over. So then after the pink, we would have two more blues. What comes next after the blue? Yellow, right? Two yellows. And what comes after the yellow? Pink, right? So two pinks. So then that's just like the two blue boots, the two yellow boots, and then two pink boots. And imagine if they kept making a line of boots in that pattern. And that would be a pattern because the pattern repeats itself and a pattern makes sense. Okay, so you can also make more stories with patterns. Patterns can be pretty much anywhere. And so I will see you tomorrow for some more review of all types of patterns.